Morning, we're going now for 2 days in Langon Gubing of Cave, Calbiga, Samar, with 2 guests from Manila. So we're waiting for the guests and we're going to the bus terminal here in Calbalogan. So we ride the bus to Calbiga. See you, Calbiga. In the bus terminal, so we're waiting for the bus going to Tacloban. So waiting. So already arrived, so we're gonna ride this one, Alvin, going to Tacloban. But we just stopped in Calbiga. We're near now Calbiga. So we're arriving now Calbiga. So we're gonna stop in the Rochelle Eatery. Native chicken tinola. Now the motorbike, habal-habal. Smile! Ready to go. Itong mga bag namin. I will ride there. One more. Smile. Habal-habal, Danny. So that's the bag there. Okay, ready to go. Gubing of, because the road is slippery. Too much slippery. Dangerous for the motorbike. So they are already there. It's jump off point. Yeah, ready for trekking, going to the cave. There, the jump off point. Yes. So no more road there. The road is only here. So there's already a trail. Okay, that's our bag now. Yeah, group picture. So we have 2 local guide and 2 guests from Manila. Walking now. So hiking, going to the cave. Gubing of Cave. And later Langon. So our guide, Remy Hakla. Ang Virgilio. Ano apelyido mo? Kabigayan. Oh, Virgilio Kabigayan. As our tour guide in Panayuran. So we're going first here, left side. Going to the viewing deck. So makita nyo na yung cave. Diyan na yung viewing deck. Okay. So lapit ng viewing deck. Yan na. Yung entrance. Oh.
Ang laki niya.
Oh, laki. So okay. Yeah, viewing deck. Nice. So we're gonna fly here the drone. So you can see the nice view there. Very nice. Yeah, fly the drone. Going to the cave. Bye bye. Okay, again. Going now to the main entrance. We just finished our orientation. We're having our lunch para may energy kami pag-explore sa cave mamaya. Eating time. Oh. Very yummy. Sige, kain lang. Ito, sige. Sige. Time para may energy. Biyok and Remy, our local guide. Yeah, lunch time. A few minutes after eating our lunch, we're gonna enter now the cave. Gonna pack up all our things and go to the cave. To go, so we already pack up. Okay, our guest there preparing. Let's go. Group picture. Okay, sige, group picture. So follow Kuya Remy. Okay. At 1:44 in the afternoon. Okay. Go. Yeah, nice. Okay. Oh, tingnan nyo dito yung view. Maganda. Bye-bye, light. And now, Gubing of Cave. Going now to Langon. Yeah. Gonna traverse for 2 days. Gonna overnight in Langon. Langon Cave. Yeah, very nice to visit my second home here in Langon Gubing of Cave. The biggest cave in the Philippines. Welcome to the darkness. Yes. Not really done. Nakita yung mga giant stalactite. Yan, mga giant stalactite na yan. Yeah, giant stalactite. Yeah, there. Okay, go.
Nasaan tong wall?
Doon sa taas. Yung doon banda.
Ano to?
Sa taas. Diyan sa taas mo. Sa taas mo.
That one.
Yan. Oh, yan. Diyan ka magkikiss. Oh, yan. Okay, next. Masarap lang kay kuya. Oh, kissing wall there.
Kiss ako.
Okay.
Beso ko na.
Inside now. So you need to kiss the wall there for your first time to visit this cave.
Ano daw po to? When I kiss the wall, what will happen to me?
Just like show of respect
Respect. Okay.
sa mga creatures in the cave.
Okay, hello po.
Yan.
Respect pala yung pag-kiss.
Yeah, over there.
Nasa cyber ako.
Oh, see the snake. Beautiful.
I don't wanna see. Ay, nakita ko na. Oh, man.
Yeah, there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Minsan din ako lang.
Beautiful.
Nasa cyber ako.
Inside the Gubing of Chamber. Oh. Kasi dito nasira na dito kasi minay na ito dito ng unang panahon. Kaya wala masyadong rock formation. Kasi tinanggal yung mga rock formation dito. Binibenta noong unang panahon. Pero ngayon bawal na. It's prohibited to cut the stalagmite. Mountaineering sa loob ng cave. So ito yung tinatawag na bouldering in Gubing of Cave. So we go first to the stage. A big chamber. See, we're sitting very high. So Gubing of Chamber. Going to Langon now. Yeah, big chamber.
Ha? Alay ko gala. Lahat ka naman. Ikaw may...
Beautiful.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, dripping white rock formation. Calcite. Okay. Well, our guide is already there. Stalagmite. Okay, so now we continue there with the taller stalagmite there. For many thousands of years, lalaki na siya ng ganyan. Yeah. Ganda. Okay. Okay.
Yun lang talaga sinasabi. We're currently looking at the Leaning Tower of Pizza.
Okay.
I think there's a big layout sa baba.
Here now the stage. Yeah, formation. It's like a stage. Baba na. Yeah, welcome to the stage.
Oh, ganda. Liwanag na tubig.
Oh, stage. Pwede, sige.
Wala naman ako sabon.
Terraces. Water terraces. Yay! Oh, diba?
Pero konti ng tubig.
Yan.
Oh, video yan.
Itang yan. Shine like diamonds. Yeah, twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Galing.
Oh, diba?
Nagtitwinkle nga siya sa gabi.
Oh,
Galing.
yan.
Oh,
Oh,
halip
diba?
oh. Oh, ang ganda.
Oh. Oh, ganda. Nakita na tayo ng stars in the cave. Oh, di ba? May stars na sa cave. Hindi lang sa langit ang stars. Oh, there's a shower here. Shower in stage. Okay. Okay. Yeah, there's a shower there.
Mga refreshing dito kasi nagaan yung tubig. Hindi naman kilamig.
Oh, yeah. Refreshing.
Ikaw rin sinakawin.
Shower there. Okay, so now we're going out to the football field. So we're going that chamber there. Okay. Welcome to the football field.
Ka-video ko.
Oh, yeah, dahil laro na kayo. Sige, jogging na. Laro na kayo, football. Okay.
Bigo.
Oh, sige, talo na. Shh. Sa natural pool.
Pa-video ka dyan, Rose.
Oh, yan.
Wala lang.
Oh.
Nandyan ka. You're there.
Oh, yeah. So, big pool in football field. Oh, pwede maligo dyan. Oh. The blind fish. Oh, there, the blind fish. Oh. So, dito lang yan nakikita sa Langon Gubing of Cave. Underground river with the swimming pool. Yeah, nice. And we see also the blind fish there in the pool. Yeah, nice. So now we're going to the campsite. Oh, yan. Sige, yan. Sa chandelier. Yeah. Chandelier! Chandelier. Chandelier. Okay, the chandelier. Yeah. Oh, yan. Ganda. Chandelier. Okay.
Wow, beautiful.
Oh. Ito, malaking chandelier going down. Going to the underground river with the pool there. The swimming pool over there. And the chandelier. Yeah, very nice. Gubing of campsite. First campsite. So the water source is only there. And we're here, the chandelier. Okay. We're going back now to the stage. We just finished the visit the football field with the big chandelier and the pool there and our campsite somewhere here. In the end there, there's our campsite. So now we're going back there, walking back. A crack floor of the cave. Very nice. Back to our bag. So now ready to go to Langon. I'm going down to the vertical area. My bag here. Okay, ready to go. Kuya's there. Going up. It's like snow here. There's a snow in the cave. It's a snow in the cave now. Yeah. Nice. Raining. Snow raining. Beautiful. Raining. Snow in Gubing of Cave. Going there. To Langon. Mas baba ka doon sa unahan. Pakaliwa. Dahan. Ito na yung vertical area. Bababa na tayo dito ng 30 meter. Going down. Rock climbing. Rock climbing. Sige, gilid mo. Okay. Okay, baba. Yan ay. Okay, our guide will going down first. Yan ay.
Nice.
Mm.
Uy, ilang million years ka na dito, di ba? Huwag ka nga yung susuko Not today. Not today. After 1,000 na lang ulit. Oo. Not today.
Yan.
Hanggang legend yata. Oo, ingat ka. Okay lang, madali lang. Kunwari.
Mm. Sige.
Pare mo kayo doon ikabit ng isa.
Ano? Sige lang, kita-kita na lang.
Namistiga na. Ikabit-kabit.
Oh, sige. Sige, ano? Clip.
Layo pa.
Yan, tingin. Sure. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Smile. Okay. Sige. Punta kay kuya. Mas pwede ka marap kay kuya doon para madali. Kasabo ka.
Anong ano mo? Dali.
Okay.
Hindi mo tingnan yung baba.
Sige, upo ka dyan. Pwede ka mo upo. Harap ka kay kuya.
Yung isa. Ito. Dito. Hawak doon sa ating hawak. Yan, yan. Sige, baba ka. Sige, baba ka. Sige, okay. Okay. Ako mapagta.
Parang di naman okay.
Sige, tot nga din ilaram.
Kasi maabot ng lalayo.
Sige. Papalo ka sa guide. Come to Langon. So we're here now in Langon Cave. Yeah, taking a rest. Okay. So we're here in the tower stalagmite. There. Nan. Talaga coral. We're entering forest stalagmite. Sabi stalagmite. Tawag dito. Para siyang forest. Forest of stalagmite. Oo. Yeah. Yeah, forest of stalagmite. Yeah, forest of stalagmite, beautiful. River crossing. Going to the Tita chamber. Yeah, crossing. Go. Sige.
Connecta na.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Dahan-dahan, okay. Dahan. Hop, dahan. Oh, take care. Yeah, river crossing. Okay. Okay. And I see a giant chandelier. With a giant chandelier. Very nice. Giant chandelier. Very nice here. Many big cha. It's already there. Okay, let's go. Explore. Going out to our campsite. Yeah, there. River crossing again. Hop, hop. Okay. Hop. Yeah, we're here in Langon Mother of all chamber. We see the light. There, the light. Ito parang moon crater dito. Oh, moon crater na ito dito. Oh. Parang nasa moon na tayo. Itong kanta sinasabi na to the moon. No, di ba? Sa ibang planeta na tayo. Moon crater. Oh, see? Like a moon crater. So like a different planet. Planet moon. Across the river. Rapids. Water. There's deep water here. So we're gonna go with the rope here. Gonna walk in the side. All the way there. Okay, sige, butong ngala. Okay, bante. Okay, hawak lang sa rope. Parang rock climbing. Okay, sige. Baba ka lang. Dito ka lang sa baba dumaan, no? O tawid ka doon sa kabila. Yan, sige. Abante. Watch it.
Sinilawan pa.
Oh, okay, para makita natin sa video.
Kasi sabi ni sir, intayin siya.
Sige lang, follow lang.
Pakadaan.
O, dito lang. Sige.
I am deep in shit.
Oh, sige. Yeah, welcome to Langon exit. Yeah, finish the budget mini bags. See, wow, so yummy. See that? Yeah. Yeah, we're here now, the exit. Beautiful. Yay. Sige, careful lang. No. May apakan dyan na. Tingnan mo. Sige. Alright. Lagay mo ng paa na isa. Yan. Hawak ka kay kuya. Basta apak pa sa isa. O, tawid. Dahan. Tawid. Kabila. Siyat. Okay, dandahan. Okay. Opo. Ibutin. Hop. Yan. Tawid. Napaka ni kuya. 1, 2. Tawid. Sige. Okay. Made it. Bag. Tanggalalani ng mga dahon. Butang lanay din ang bag. So we're here in our campsite. Langon campsite. Arriving at what time? 4:45. Arriving at 4:46 in the afternoon. So we're gonna fix our campsite. Okay. So we're here in the campsite, relaxing. Yeah, room with the view. Oh, diba? The opening here. First time niya mag-camping sa loob ng cave, ano?
Ako.
Ikaw nakapag. Already our kitchen there. So that's our kitchen. Yeah. And this is our living room. With our tent now. Set up. And relaxing. Relax muna. Para mamaya explore ulit.
Budol ulit.
Oh, diba? Okay, nandito kami sa may opening ng Langon Cave with the nice view in the river. The way there. I sleep here. My bag there. Rest first. It's already 5:27, so later the bus coming out. Few minutes. Yeah, resting time. Nice, Rex. Relax. And opening there. Nice. The bus now coming out. There are many thousands of them. Yeah, very nice. So we'll go bat watching. We're going out in the exit. Yeah, there are many of them. Thousands. Wow. So coming out now. The exit. Watching now. They're coming out. There are thousands of bats coming out now. Nice. Yeah, there, many. Thousands. Malaking ibon na, no? Kumakain siya. Ganda. Spectacular. Labas na sila. Ayan na, ang laking coming out. Bye bye. See you later. Ang maganda. Bat watching. Yeah. Nice. Labas na sila. Mabay na. Cooking time. Kitchen. Isa pala din napasok. Okay.
Hindi na lang. Water lang po.
Dinner time. Oh, sige, thank you. Naman kayong pork, merong ampalaya, vegetable, and chicken adobo.
Mapagpalayang
Kainan na.
Don't be bitter, just be better.
Kaya na para may energy mamaya. Magkikibing pa tayo. Mapapasabak pa. One more round. We're having dinner. We're eating na binato. Special King Calbiga. Binato.
Kasi mababato mo tayo. Walang lasa. Walang lasa. Mukhang ano lang. Manga lang.
Binato.
Ano ba to? Good for pag yung mga wala ka ng potassium during the night.
Okay. Bye guys.
Water. Water.
Lagyan ng water. Now at the Langon campsite, we're going to Lower Langon. Time now is already 8:02. Starting now. Snake again.
Naglalag, nag-iingat ang mata.
Ano yan? Sige, paket. Ayun, nakapasok na si ma'am. Dali-dali lang pala. Lalim. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna go inside. Okay. So our guide Rimmel will go first. Oh. Sige, ready. Yeah, sige. Sige, nagapang na kayo. Snake room.
Maliligo ka naman eh. Uy, mas makalalim siya dito, Chong.
Akit ka. Sige. Kayo. Yan, gapang na.
Oh my God!
Sige, siksik. Okay, romancing the rock. Going now to Lower Langon. This is the snake room. So you looks like a snake also. Crawling. 3 meter. Other side, big chamber. Yeah, chandelier. Ito parang stalactite na malaki. Ang ganda. Okay. So parang full. Okay. Kuya. Okay, akyat. Okay. River crossing. Oh, Carabao Trek. Mad trekking. Going out to the water terraces. Sige. Wala na, stack up na. Oh, yan. Oh. Haha. Haha. Up. Haha. River trekking. Terraces. Lower Langon Cave. Beautiful, many water. Go in the water. Water terraces. So water terraces na. Water terraces. Maganda. Bathtub. Beautiful. Smile. Ligo na kaya. O, shower na kayo, shower. Shower na kayo. Woo! O, shower na. The blind crab. Blind crab. Bye-bye. Oh, bathtub. Bathtub yan dyan.
Hindi ka talaga kapag
Ah. Tanggalin ko ang helmet. So shower in Lower Langon Cave. Yeah, we just stop here because the river there is quite many water there, strong current. We cannot cross the river. Anytime it gets well flood because it's raining, always raining outside. So we just only stop here in the waterfall. Yeah, swimming.
Okay. I know. Salamat. There. Sarap! Woo!
Yeah, nice waterfall. Lower Langon Cave.
Enjoy mo lang.
We're leaving now. Living in Lower Langon. Okay, let's go. Bye bye. Oh, video. Yeah, nice. Okay, we're going back. Let's go.
Let's go.
Go.
Go. And the river is too high.
Yeah. So back to the snake room.
Mas mahirap ba? Nahihirapan.
Yeah. Gan. Okay.
Oh my God! Okay!
Yan, lalabas na. You will born again. Back to the camp. Time to sleep now. Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow. Good night. Nice day. Good night. Good morning. Morning time. Yeah, the time now is already 7 o'clock in the morning. It's maybe raining outside. So the guys already preparing there for breakfast. So they are down there. That's our kitchen. So preparing for breakfast. Later we're gonna eat our breakfast. And we're gonna break our camp and ready for mountain climbing, going to Mapasok Spring. And later we're going to Rocheletery for lunch. So we have a 3 hours trekking going out from Langon Cave to Mapasok Spring. Yeah, time to pack up my things. Good morning, Mom. How's your sleep? Ah, okay. I wake up now. Sleep there. The kitchen there. They're cooking there. The guides live there in their hammock. So there's two hammock there. So the guides live there in the hammock. There in their hammock. Just ready. We have noodle, we have corned beef, we have dried fish there.
Sige na nga. Yung torta.
Yeah, torta. Okay. So eating lang. Eating lang. Sige. Ayan, rice. Ito yung kwan. Sige, kuha lang. Sige, yan. On original na tour guide, Remy Hakla. Kumusta na? Nakain ka na, wala ka na makaupod.
Agad pa marabot.
Nagano ka marabot?
Inuma.
Napira nakatuig bago ka nakabalik nga di.
Tulo.
Natulong?
Tulo na
Ikaupod. So yun, nakalatotlo makaupod. So, yeah, Remy Hakla is our original tour guide in Langon Gubingov Cave. So, I went to Marabot for farming for 3 years and now is back in Calbiga Cave. So, start guiding again. And also, our Biok, our tour guide in Calbiga Cave. Yeah. So now we're already packing up. So we're gonna pack up all our food. We just finished our breakfast. We're gonna pack up and ready to hike out in the cave there. Packing up and ready to go. Ready na for hiking after caving, mountain climbing na.
Ready na.
Okay. We're in Langon Cave, so we're ready for mountain climbing, going to Mapaso. Are you ready? Ready?
Sana.
Okay, let's go. Follow our guide. Oh. Sige. Now, Langon Gubingov Cave. So, thank you for coming. So, ready for hiking, going to Mapaso. So, we're leaving at 9:40 in the morning. And there's nothing left there. So, leave no trace. So, we bring everything, our garbage, even our urine is already there. Our guide carrying the bottle of urine. So, see you next time, Langon Gubingov Cave. So, ready for a mountain climbing. There, mountain climbing. Going out, exit. Jungle walking. This is a 30 minutes uphill. And on top of the hill. Time for relax. Take a rest. Nasa tuktok na tayo, nasa summit ng cave.
Ito na po yung pinaka.
Okay, so we're start hiking, going now to Mapaso. So downhill na. Tapos ng uphill.
Downhill na.
Oo.
Downhill.
Sige. Dandahan lang. Downhill. So going now to Mapaso. So maybe 20 minutes more. We arrive in Mapaso. Yeah. It's already 11:45. Spring. Gonna wash up here. Ano, okay lang? Sige, sure. Paso Spring. Mapasok. So we're gonna take a rest. Later we're gonna wash up there. So, washing time. Nice. Habol. Gonna ride down a motorbike. Put our bag there. Lotoy mo bunay. Mapasok. Okay, Vera. Sabi na, okay, bye bye. Oh, my ride here. Okay, let's go to Rocheletery. Rocheletery. Eating native chicken tinola. Eating native chicken tinola. Yeah, very nice. Yummy. In Rocheletery in Calbiga. So lunchtime and upland rice. Ano pa niya rin na rice? Na, ini?
Pink rice.
Ha? Pink rice la. At tikang inabukid na rice. Ha? Hagna gyapon. Okay, eating time. They're also eating there, guys. Yeah, take care. We're going now to Tacloban. Okay, bye-bye. Ingat kayo. Sige. Okay, so now they're going there to ride a bus to Katbalao. Going to Tacloban. Bye-bye. See you next time. So it's my turn to go back to Katbalogan. So my guest going to Tacloban. Bye-bye. To Tacloban. Riding going back to Katbalogan. So see you later, Katbalogan. Back there.